Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a portfolio website for software engineer. The first thing I want you to do is go onto Wix.com, and that is going to be the website builder that we'll be using to create our portfolio, and you can get started for completely free. All you'll need to do once on Wix, you can choose to sign up using your email address, for example Google. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. Once you have selected Create New Site, what I want you to do next is select Set Up Without Chat. After selecting Set Up Without Chat, you're going to tap on the search bar, and from here you could type in Software Engineer, so you can type that in right here, and you will see the option Software Engineer Portfolio. You can select that option, then tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can select the name of your site, so you can tap right here, and more than likely you're going to be naming it after yourself. So I'll call this site Simple Answers, so I'll type that in right there. Then you'll select Continue, and from here you can select the apps that are plugin that you would like to be added to your site. For example, you have the portfolio plugin. You also have the Instagram feed where you'll be able to display pictures and videos from Instagram. And I'm also going to be adding the blog plugin. If you'd like to add videos, you can do that. And you can see there are numerous plugins that you can add. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Continue, then select Continue to Dashboard. After selecting Continue to Dashboard, what I want you to do next is you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select Portfolio. From here, you will be able to upload your projects. So for example, you can choose to either set up without AI or you can use the Wix AI feature. So you can select any one of these categories. Then you could tap on Next. After doing that, you can tap on Upload from Computer and then you will be able to upload your work. If we were to tap on Set Up Without AI, you would be redirected to this page and you're going to see some sample portfolios right here. To remove the sample portfolios, you can tap on the box. Then you could select Hide Selected, or you can choose to delete them by tapping on Delete Selected. After doing that, you can tap on Add Project in the top right hand corner. You could input your project name, then select Next, add in a quick description, then tap on Next, add in the basic info, then you'll select Next, and from here you'll be able to upload your media. So that's how you'll be able to add your portfolio. Once you have added your portfolio, if it is a case that you would like to create a blog, you could select blog from the left hand menu option, then tap on create new post, and you could create your first blog post. So you can add in the title and the information, then select publish in the top right hand corner for your blog post to go live. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to select design site in the top right hand corner. From here, we're going to tap on pick a template. And this is how you're going to be able to customize how your website appears. You can see that there are numerous options that you can select from. You can select the one that best suits you. Let's say we were to select this option. So we're going to tap on edit. After selecting edit, you're going to give it a few seconds while your website is being prepared in the background. Once it is up and running, you're going to tap on the X right here to close the pop-up, then select the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and you can see how your website looks at the moment. To make changes to your website is quite easy. For example, let's say we would like to change the background image and also the text. To do this, you can hover over the section, then tap on Quick Edit. After selecting Quick Edit in the top left hand corner, you can choose to change strip background, so we'll tap on change right there. Then you could select image and you could upload an image from your device. So you can select image right here, then you'll tap on upload media in the top left hand corner and you can choose the image that you would like to add. So for example, I'm just going to be adding a random image. So let's say for example sake I were to add this image. So I'll select this one, then I'll tap on change background. After you have done that, you can see that the background image has now changed. And by the way, if it is a case that you would like to change it to a video, you could do that. Then after doing that, you can edit the title. So you can tap right here and I could change the title, for example, from Robert Caro. I could type in Simple Answers right here. So you can do that. Also, you can change the text quite easily. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you could change the title to whatever you want. And then you'll simply tap on the X. And scrolling down, you can continue making each changes by tapping on each section that you would like to change. Once you're finished, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and I want you to tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, which is Pages and Menu. From here, you'll be able to view all of the pages that are currently on your website. So for example, if I were to select Professional right here, you can scroll down and you can see the professional page. Experience, you can see right there, basically a resume showing your experience. You can select portfolio and they'll be redirected to the portfolio page. You can also select contact and they'll be redirected to your contact information. If you'd like to add a new page, you can tap on add page from the top menu option. Then you can see the different page styles that you can choose from. So you can select whether contact, projects, services, any type of page that you would like to add, you can select it and then add it. Or you can choose to add a blank page. And if you would like to add an element to your website also, so let's say for example's sake, you would like to add something, for example, a text box or so on, you can tap on the plus in the top left hand corner. Then from there, you could select text and you could select the style text. You can also add gallery. You can add images, pictures, videos, contact form, anything at all that you'd like to add to your website. You will find it in this section right here. And you can just drag and place it on your website. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner to publish your website and your website will be live. And as long as you're not planning to collect payment using your website, you can use Wix for completely free. And you can see how our website looks right here. So you can see that it does look professional and it was easy to create. Thank you for watching.